I have this really old silver platter, and the reason why I don't use this, it's really nice, but it's tarnished. So I'm going to see if I could make this sparkle. So right now I will be using this LOC metal cleaner. This is actually from Amway. This is the only metal cleaner I have. So I'm just going to use what I have with me. So this cleaner that I have, I don't know if I had this for a long time. So this, it's very thick. So I took a barbecue stick to just loosen it up. You know, it's just, maybe it's been in my shelf for a long time, but it still works. It still cleans my tray. It's just, it's very thick. So I'm gonna start off in the front. So this is a damp sponge, and I'm just putting a little bit of this product here, and I'm gonna start this one here. Just put a lot of product in there, you know, and if you have a old toothbrush, try to brush that. There's grooves on here. You want to brush that so that the product can go in. So now we're gonna rinse this one off and see. Wow, this is the part where I haven't cleaned it. So dirty right there. You can see it, dirty. And then that one is shiny where I cleaned it. See, right there. So let me finish the rest of it. So now let's do this part here. If you see how dirty it is, so let's put that on there. Especially on the corner, there's a lot of tarnish in there. It even eliminates rust. The rust came off. See? Now I'm going to do the back. So this looks really bad, so we'll see. I'll do this one side. See, I want to make a comparison. It's shiny, but I don't know what this part is. So let's start. See how big difference on there? But let me try doing it. So this product works. So here it is.